Module 5, Lesson 1, Topic 2, Display Formulas. As discussed previously, when you enter a formula into an Excel worksheet, only the result of the calculation is displayed within the cell. The underlying formula is only visible, by default, in the formula bar when the cell containing the formula is active. Excel provides several options for displaying and editing formulas. By viewing and editing the cell in the formula bar, or by double-clicking the cell to view and edit the formula, or by using the Show Formulas command to display all formulas in the worksheet. A worksheet with the Show Formulas command enabled. Notice that in column D, the total for each row displays the formulas. The results of the calculation are not shown in the worksheet while the Show Formulas command is enabled. To enable the Show Formulas command, select the Formulas tab, and then in the Formula Auditing group, select Show Formulas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Using references and formulas.